Hello and welcome back to our journey of mastering Blender. In this lecture, we shall learn how to navigate the 3D viewport. To be able to work in the 3-dimension space that Blender uses, you must be able to change your viewpoint as well as the viewing direction of your scene. At the top right, there are these icons here, known as the navigation gizmo. These icons help you to orbit, zoom, and pan your view. First, there is the orbit gizmo, which enables you to orbit your scene. For you to orbit, left click on the orbit gizmo and drag your mouse. Also, you can set your view to be aligned at a particular axis using your gizmo. Clicking any of the axes labeled will align the view to that axis. Clicking on the same axis again switches to the opposite side of the same axis. Also, you can achieve this by using your numpad. If you want to view the front orthographic, use numpad 1. To view the opposite, which is the back orthographic, press Ctrl numpad 1. To view the right orthographic, press numpad 3. To view the opposite, which is the left orthographic, press Ctrl numpad 3. Same with the top and bottom orthographic. Press 7 to view the top and Ctrl 7 to view the bottom orthographic. To zoom using your gizmo, left click on the zoom icon and drag your mouse. To pan, click on the pan icon, and panning is simply moving your view up, down, left, right. So to achieve that, left click on the pan icon and drag your mouse to whichever position you want to pan your view. Navigating around the 3D viewport can be made easier by the use of a 3-button mouse. So using a 3-button mouse, to orbit, click on the middle mouse button and drag your mouse to orbit. To zoom, scroll the mouse wheel up and down. To pan, press the Shift key, click on the middle mouse button and drag your mouse to pan. If you don't have a 3-button mouse, you can emulate one under the preference setting. So to do this, go to the Edit menu, click on Preferences. Under Preferences, click on Input and then Emulate 3-button mouse. Also, if you don't have a numpad, if your keyboard doesn't have a numpad, you can also emulate numpad by clicking or checking the box for Emulate numpad. If you are not using a 3-button mouse, you can emulate a 3-button mouse by checking the box of Emulate 3-button mouse. And the functions of the middle button will be achieved by pressing the Alt key and the left mouse button. That's all for this lecture. Thank you for joining me for this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture where we shall start modeling.